In this video, I will guide you how to merge cells in Microsoft Word. Head to the Insert, click the table and select the desired number of table and rows. So it is very straightforward to merge cells in Microsoft Word. This is a standard way to combine cells by clicking and dragging your cursor over them. So click to the Layout tab. So in the merge group, you will see that merge cells. Click on that. The selected cells immediately become one single larger cell. There is another method which is the right click shortcut. So select the adjacent cells you want to merge. Right click on the highlighted cells and click on the merge cells. So if you want to unmerge the cell, then click inside the cell, right click and click on the split cells and click on the number of rows to 3 and number of rows to 1. Click OK, and here you can see that. So with this way, you can easily merge the cells in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.